Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this session, we're going to explore another powerful property in the chat.completions.create API call, the N property. Understanding and utilizing this property can significantly enhance the flexibility and usefulness of your AI applications. The N property in the chat.completions.create call is used to specify the number of responses you want the API to generate for each prompt. Instead of receiving a single response, you can request multiple responses in a single API call. This is useful when you want to compare or choose responses from several options. By default, the N property is set to 1, meaning the API generates a single response. However, you can increase this number to get multiple completions, which can help applications choose options where variety and choice are important, such as creative writing, brainstorming sessions, or generating diverse ideas. Let's jump back into our code and add the N property to the configuration object. In our defs file, you can simply add the N property into your OpenAI configuration object and give it a numeric value. While you can set this to any number, it's generally good practice to keep it to a small number to avoid excessive token consumption. Here, we'll set our N property to 3. This instructs the API to generate 3 different responses for the given input prompt. When you run this code, the choices array in the response object will contain an array of 3 variations of the AI's response, each with a different summary of the plot of Pride and Prejudice. So the use case for the N property in our prompts is that N provides us multiple options to choose from. One point to note here. Notice that the usage values have increased. In our run, the completion tokens have increased to 291, and total tokens has increased to 312. Here again, while setting N to a very large number may seem like a good idea, remember that each response generated will consume tokens and cost you money. The N property is a valuable tool in the OpenAI Chat Completion API that provides flexibility and enhances the functionality of your AI applications. By generating multiple completion choices in a single API call, you can explore different possible responses to the same prompt, provide users with a selection of options to choose from, enhance creative processes by offering a variety of ideas and solutions. Using the N property effectively can help you maximize the potential of the OpenAI API, making your applications more dynamic and versatile. Whether you're developing tools for creative writing, decision-making, or brainstorming, the ability to generate multiple responses can significantly improve the user experience and the overall utility of your application. In our next lessons, we'll continue to explore the N property's response to better understand the full impact of the N property in the OpenAI Chat Completion API. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.